Same.
Are you excited you're getting baby chicks?
Watch out. Oh,
Quick, put it back.
I heard it.
No, we're not getting all of them.
No, that's way too much. I wasn't done.
I think we're gonna get 8. You guys are gonna put the stuff back there, but you're gonna have to set the seats down.
Okay. Hey, buddy.
Mix a single packet.
This is
And
yeah, but there's like.
We have the big.
Gosh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just let me touch it.
Hey Connor. Yeah. Come here, babe.
I'm trying to fly. What is that? A chicken? It's a baby chick. What is it?
What are they?
I'll hold one.
No, not right now.
It help.
You need help?
Yeah. Chicken.
Chicken.
Is that you? Look, it's you.
Those are gonna be our chickens now.
Ball?
Yeah, that's hot. That keeps the chickens warm.
Okay. Okay.
See?
Okay. Okay.
Look at chicken. It says hi. Can you say hi, baby chicken? A baby chicken. All right. All right, we're gonna let them.